Welcome to Pranavastics. Today we are going to prepare paneer butter masala. For this we require 2 tomatoes, butter, 2 to 3 green chilies, 2 onions, 1 chopped onions, salt to taste, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric, garlic. Then Shahi paneer masala also required. And then I have cutted this paneer into cubes and soaked it in water. Now let's prepare the gravy. I have watered the boil. I have boiled the water first. Before boiling the water, cut the tomato. Just make a slit on the tomato like this, and then put these 2 tomatoes in the boiling water for at least 20 seconds. After 20 seconds, we have to remove this tomatoes and peel its skin. It's been 20 minutes, 20 seconds that my tomatoes is boiling in the water. Now we have to remove its skin. Be careful, the tomatoes are very hot. You might burn your fingers. Now add these blanched tomatoes in a mixer, and then add these onions also in the grinder along with garlic. Now grind these everything into a fine paste. Now you can see our onion and tomato garlic paste is ready. Before making paneer butter masala, we have to fry our paneer until it is golden from all the sides. Here, put a kadai on the stove. I have already preheated this kadai and adding some oil in it. 2 tablespoons of oil in it. After adding oil, once the oil gets heated, add your paneer cubes into it. You can see that my paneer is getting golden in color. Now you can remove this paneer into a plate. Now in the same kadai only we are going to prepare paneer butter masala. Never add butter directly to the kadai because the butter may get burnt. First add some oil, then add your butter. Already there is some oil in my kadai, so now I am adding butter to it. Once the butter gets melted, let's add green chilies to it. After adding green chilies, add chopped onions to it. Never cook this dish on a high flame. Always cook this dish on low flame. Once cook the onions until it leaves its rawness. Now add your tomato, garlic and onion paste into the kadai. And saute it so that I have added some water into the grinder and using that water in the gravy again. Now we have to add some kaju paste in it. For this we need to blend the kaju along with curd. Now add kaju in the blender and add some curd to it. Then make a smooth mixed paste of this. This is our kaju and curd mixture. Now add this ingredient into the kadai. This gives rich and creamy taste to our paneer butter masala. And saute this so the tomato paste mixes well with the curd. Now you can see our gravy started boiling very little. For now you have to add red chilli powder to it, some turmeric to it and salt to taste, and mix this well and cook it for 10 minutes. Now you can see that our gravy is getting boiled. So at this stage add 2 tablespoons of Shahi Paneer Masala. And now mix it once again. This masala to the entire gravy. And once you mix this masala to the gravy, add the paneer which we have fried it at the beginning. And now mix everything perfectly. The entire process should be done on a low flame. Now close this with a lid and cook it for 10 to 20 minutes. Now remove the lid and check our paneer butter masala. It is being boiled. So now at this stage your paneer butter masala is ready. And now switch off the flame, add the remaining butter into it. And one more important thing in it, we get garlic Amul butter in the market. Instead of garlic, you can use garlic butter in it. If you don't have garlic butter, then you can use garlic into it. Now your paneer butter masala is ready to serve along with chapati, butter naan or fried rice.
Hi everyone, please watch this video and subscribe and share